Making a straight through cable. On this video I'll be making a straight through cable. I have already cut the actual cable on the video. When you do cut the cable, make sure that you don't cut through the wires. Once you have done so, go ahead and untwist the wires. There's also white plastic in between them. You gotta cut that plastic off. Once you do that, untwist the wires and make sure you know your order of your wires. So for a straight through cable, it'll be white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So you can see there I'm cutting off the white plastic I told you about. Once that's done, just make sure you start putting your wires in order. Once your wires are in order, you'll have the little plastic where the wires are first gonna go in. You're gonna insert them in. It's could be really frustrating. It's gotta concentrate and put them all in there. Once we have them all in there, we double check your wires are in the correct order before you slip the plastic down. So we'll wait for it and go from there. So once you have those cables in that plastic, you can go ahead and start pulling the plastic down as far as you can. And after you have your cables set in, don't mind Mr. Mason's boys. We'll wait for him to finish.
Particular who they hire, and he goes, they have 3 openings for a job. They interviewed 65 people, and they only hired 2 people, and both of them were my students, Patrick and Bryson. Bryson's a second-year student, and Patrick was, because Bryson just graduated, and Patrick was just finished his first year. They had 3 openings, interviewed 60 people, and didn't want any of the people except for our 6 students.
Nice.
Yeah. That's awesome. I told him, yeah, write that down. Send it to me.
Alright, so once your plastic is all tied down and you have made sure your wires are in the right order, you can go ahead and cut the tip of the wires as far down as you can to as close to the plastic. Once you've done that, go ahead and insert the bigger plastic. Just make sure you have the right side of the plastic, which is the window, and the window's going to be the one where you're going to be looking at from left to right. Don't forget to put in your lock protector before you do both of those sides. On the side of it, it gives you an option. You just gotta check it out. It says show screen while we're recording, and you just press it there, and then another screen will pop up on the other side. Yeah. You minimize it, and then you go to share. Once you share, it'll upload it from Flashback to YouTube. And once it's in YouTube, you just copy the link and then copy it to your website. Once you got the small clip in, insert the bigger one. And make sure it goes all the way in there, just nice and tight so it can work. Once it's in there, you go grab your tool, and you gotta make sure that it's nice and tight in there. You insert your safety to protect your safety switch there, and that's how you get a straight through cable. Just do the same to the other side.